Dear friends, in this video, we continue our journey of simple linear regression, how it works in practice from where we left last time. You would recall we did the scatter plot. As you can see, we have explained the role of scatter plot with reference to this example that we have chosen. The revenue management in a hotel is a function of room occupancy percentage, and we have the estimated equation, the line of best fit plotted with the actual data points for the given data set. And we have a strong linear relationship that as insight we got from the scatter plot, which is the bedrock of simple linear regression. So we proceed to the next step, which is what is the regression equation estimated, which we can use for prediction. In other words, what are the values of B0 and B1? What is the intercept? What is the slope? Here is the answer. We have got the next step. This is the estimated equation. We had equal to minus 60376.5 plus 8231.778 x1. What does it tell? How do we interpret this part, the slope? The equation implies that for every 1% increase in x1, the predictor variable, namely the occupancy, every 1% increase in x1 will lead to an increase of $8,231.78, rounded to two decimal places. That is the story. In other words, there is a positive slope. If you keep on increasing the room occupancy, every 1% point of increase in the room occupancy will zoom or boost the revenue by an additional $8,231.78. Wonderful. But how far can we go? It's true that we have to increase the room occupancy. How far can we go? Is it 70%, 80%, 90%? It depends on many factors. But here we are just interpreting the behavior of the slope of room occupancy. Whenever it increases, what happens to the revenue, which is positively impacted or negatively impacted? Here it is positively impacted. It tells a story. And it also tells it's a fairly large amount, $8,231.78 for every 1% increase. So if you increase it by about 3%, straight away it will go up by about $24,000 to $25,000. The revenue management will be very happy. What about this intercept part? Interpreting the intercept is a bit tricky. The intercept part says, even if x1 is equal to 0, you will still have this intercept minus 60376.5. We can interpret this economically as what's called the sunk cost or fixed expenses that will have to be incurred by the hotel regardless of the room occupancy. In other words, if nobody comes, even then you have to incur $60,377, rounded to integer, $60,377 you will have to incur as fixed expenses. And therefore, the hotel will have to work out what is the minimum threshold occupancy needed, how do we leverage the revenue part by incremental part of the room occupancy or keep on increasing, to what extent, all these things tells a story. So overall, it says that the model appears to be pretty good, but then is it good enough? What should we do? Can we use this for prediction? Let's not jump the gun now. Now let us look at the backtracking ability of the model, prediction versus actual, and we will see that in the next video and then proceed with our journey. Thank you very much. Thanks for the patient hearing. I hope you would have got some good insights. Thank you very much.